Hi ladies, so welcome back to my channel. Another makeup Monday. This might even go up by Tuesday morning because our Wi-Fi has been screwed up lately, so it might be so slow that it won't upload until tomorrow. So apologies in advance if that's the case, but either way, I'm back. And this is just a quick video and my phone's about to die, but I really want to make these like little hacks that I've learned recently on how to find ways to feel, you know, it's like beauty tricks on a budget, beauty hacks on a budget. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So let's start with my nails, which I think these are amazing looking. I think they're nice and short and natural. They're just like clean, you know, just natural looking nails. And I get these at the drugstore. I think they're $10 or $12 for these, but it's Bring the Salon Home Kiss is the brand. Salon Acrylic, well, it is a French style manicure. So it's Salon Acrylic French Nude. Is the name of the style of these nails. And at the very top, each package will tell you the length, and these are real short, RS. So, which I like. I don't like super long nails as a guitarist, especially. I need something that's more natural and I can just function in my daily life. So I absolutely love these, and it does come with the glue, but just in case the glue is kind of cheapo and didn't work that well, this was right next to it in the drugstore. Actually, I got this at Ulta, but I'm sure you can get these at Walgreens or CVS. So this is the Kiss brand glue as well. It's Max Speed Nail Glue Power Flex. And I think this was like $4. So I'd say maybe just get a little bit of the nicer glue instead of just the glue that comes with it this way, because these nails, I'm not gonna lie, like this is beauty on a budget. They'll pop off, and it's funny. My husband will make fun of me because they're like, he'll find one, you know, on the kitchen floor or something that because the nail randomly popped off and I didn't notice. But I'm like, hey, I'm saving money. Instead of going to the salon to get my nails done, I just pop these on, and I keep the glue that came with this packaging in my purse with me. So if I'm out like at a party or something or at a brunch, which happened the other day, a nail popped off like mid-conversation, and I was just like, oh God, I hid it in my pocket. But I had I had the glue in my car, so I was able to just fix it myself. I'd say it's worth it just to look a little more pulled together. And if you don't like having them on every day and worrying about those instances where they are gonna pop off, like just for a party, and you wanna have that extra, you know, sense of glamour, I guess, you can use these for special occasions only and not everyday wear. I just like them every single day. The next pack, I think I wanna get this exact same style, but they're black. I love black nails. I think they're elegant, especially in like the fall and winter time. So I'll give you an update on my Instagram, which is at Tumbleweed Woman specifically for this kind of stuff. And if you can see in the background, we got our bassinet in from Up a Baby. We're so excited. He's gonna be right there next to me. And I'm almost 34 weeks now. Sorry if I'm so out of breath sounding once again, but we're almost there. We're like 6 weeks away from him, or maybe even 4 to 5 weeks away. If he comes early, we'll see. Okay, moving on to my eyelashes, which these are not, I don't get these done, you know, I was paying $90 every 3 weeks to get them filled. And it took an hour, actually 2 hours sometimes, because I'd get the double volume, which is $180. Crazy, I know, I was ridiculous. It just felt wrong after a while, especially with the baby on the way. Like I'm trying to cut costs, but still have the same appearance as, you know, as much as I possibly can. So, Ardell makes this DIY lash extension kit, which I'll put a picture of it here. I got mine at Ulta, and I've already obviously thrown away the packaging, so I apologize. But it comes with the remover and it comes with the glue, which I found just the glue alone. You can buy and get a refill of the glue for $3.98 on Amazon, which I'm about to order some more. And it comes with tweezers, which the tweezers are bomb. Like I'm using these for my eyebrows. They are the most precise, pointed, nice tweezers I've ever had, for sure. Because I have 2 other pairs right here in front of me that pale in comparison to the tweezers that come with this kit. So it takes a little bit of time to learn how to put them on. It's just it's 3 hairs per section. And you just pour the glue on something like this. They tell you to use aluminum foil. I don't know why, but I just followed instructions. And my little hack for really interesting way to properly get the glue like sealed on the ends. So I'll show you. I'll just put some on. So this is a refill pack that I got at Ulta, and these are actually 5 hairs. So they're called tapered tips, soft touch trios, and they're like 3 segments all in one, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take them out of the packaging, which is not the full packaging, but you see there's short and medium lengths in this package. And you have to pull them out from the root so you don't break them apart, which I've already broken some apart, as you can see. It's kind of hard to initially get them out. I don't know, see how the root, there's 3 dots. That means there's 3 segments, where as the original Ardell DIY home extensions, it just comes with like 1 of those segments that you put on one at a time and stack and stack and stack. And the way I like to do it is put the medium length across my entire eye, just to kind of get that volume. And then I fill in like on the inner corners with the short ones and the outer corners with the long ones. So this is the pack that I bought, but this saves a lot of time because this is actually more per segment. So this is really random, but I dip this bobby pin in the little tiny bottle of adhesive. So there's like adhesive kind of glooping up within the bobby pin. And then instead of like dipping it on the aluminum foil, I go like needle it through just the tips of the eyelash extension through the opening, like bloop, and barely get it on there. And I'd say the way to make this super easy and user-friendly is to give it time to get a little bit tacky, because when you first get the glue out, it's not gonna be quite as tacky. So that's what helped me eventually understand, like, oh, I just need to give it a little bit of time to dry. And then, you know, I did it, you know, in one sitting, I used up pretty much the whole package on each eye. And then I bought this refill pack, and I kind of been having supplementing. None of them have fallen out, y'all, which is amazing compared to what I was getting with the other place spending $90. Like, they'd be flying off left and right every day. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, like if I'm gonna get some kind of eye infection because they're just staying on and this glue is staying on. But just to get a really extreme full look that I like right now is what I have right now. I basically just end up stacking these on top. So this supplemental kind of pack that I got at Ulta, the Soft Touch Trios, is only $5. So do get the initial kit because you'll get the tweezers and all that, but then supplement it with this for only $5. $5 or $90, what would you rather spend? And it just is a learning curve, but if you can see, like, it does look not quite as neat, maybe as the lady did it when I got it done, but like from far away, and even up close, like I feel comfortable enough when I'm talking to people, like I feel like it looks good. And I don't know, this is just a look that I like, because it takes me like barely any time now to do my makeup with fuller lashes. Okay, so we've done nails, we've done eyelashes. Now for my hair. As y'all have already seen in my extension video, I use clip-in extensions, which is about to change. So I'm gonna just unclip one right now and show y'all how I'm about to save a lot of money and get them woven into my hair. So this is a weft. This is like a track of hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up cutting off the clip part, so it's just a track of hair and no clips. And Amazon sells the tools to bead and weave on your own hair, and I've been obsessively watching videos on YouTube on how to do this, like bead clamping, and I can link a girl's video below to they call it hand-tied extensions, and there's a way to do it at home. You just have to have someone who's very kind enough to spend a whole afternoon doing it for you. My husband's actually really good at sewing, and so he might be doing it, or my mom offered. So we just got to get her or get him to watch some YouTube videos and just really quickly learn how to do it, and then because you can't do it yourself, but that way I don't have to. I'm just getting tired of having clip-ins, you know, taking them out, putting them back in, taking them out. I just want to like wake up and have my hair like this. But you can just like treat these like your own hair if you have them like woven into your head. So that's usually a $1,400 process. I'm saving, I mean, these two things alone, I think I spent $18 on these two. And then I'm gonna order the nylon sewing thread that is meant for wigs, but you can use it for this as well. And I'll link all these products below if you're interested. And that's $8 for that spoolie of the thread. So you do the math. I'm saving, there's $1,400 route because I'm using extensions that I already have. The hair is the most expensive part for sure. So if you are interested in doing this and don't have hair extensions, I'm gonna warn you right now, it's gonna get expensive because these were about $350 and then they've lasted me for the past, you know, I've had them maybe a year, but they will last me at least another year. So that's where I'm already like good to go, is because I already have the most expensive part. So anyway, these are the 22-inch Bellamy Bugatti extensions. I've already made a video on these, which I will link below. So I hope some of these little tricks helped, and I'm gonna do one more. I'm obsessed with Dr. Dray, D-R-A-Y. I'll link her channel below. She's like a no-nonsense she's a dermatologist, and she will walk you through the aisles of like a Target or CVS and just read the ingredients and tell you why you shouldn't buy this product and why this is good for you and why this is bad for you and how to save money. So she recommended, this is only $5 for this massive bottle, but since it's fragrance-free, this is Beauty 360 CVS generic brand lotion, advanced repairing lotion, paraben and phthalate-free, and you can compare this to the Vaseline Intensive Care unscented lotion. So $5. I use this on my face, which she said is totally cool. It's actually a great lotion as a moisturizer at night for your face. And like I said, it's the advanced repairing lotion because there's no fragrance. There's gonna be zero irritation. And then I use this all over my body. So I'm getting down to where I'm pretty minimalistic with my skincare. Like she's all about, you don't need much. You just need a moisturizer for nighttime and sunscreen for your AM daytime. And don't bother with all the other hoopla with what companies try to sell you. So that's that's pretty much all I use. This is my PM body care and face care lotion. I highly recommend it. My skin, when I woke up after the first time using this, it was like it had like a glow to it. I was blown away because this doesn't feel good. Like it doesn't feel like that nice, you know how Nivea leaves your skin feeling like nice and plump and it looks really dewy. This dries really fast, so it doesn't have a nice feel to it. But then the next day when you wake up after having put it on, your skin feels so smooth and nourished. So give it a try. You might not like the initial feel of it, but I guarantee you this is a very budget-friendly way to go. Okay, so and then for my daytime, I just took her advice again and got she recommended the CVS brand Clear Zinc lotion, and this is 50 SPF. So she's like the #1 way to approach, staying young looking, and the #1 anti-aging product is sunscreen. So don't bother with all those other gimmicky things. I do like the effects of vitamin C, but for now, like on a budget, I'm just focusing, like I said, on the bare essentials, like things that really, really, truly matter in the long run, and that's just wearing sunscreen and, moisturizing your skin. And in the morning, as y'all have seen, I just use a rose water toner, and this one I got is a great deal compared to the Mario Badescu, and then the one that I used to buy by, it's so overpriced, it's $30, and it's a gorgeous glass bottle. I have it right here. I actually poured this into this bottle because it's a gorgeous mist. It just has the perfect mist. I don't like the mister on this. So for that reason, I would say buy a nice, use a nice bottle, but this was only like $8 for this rose toner from Trader Joe's. I put this on a cotton pad in the morning, on a cotton round, and that's how I wash my face, is basically just wipe it with rose water and my skin's ready and prepped. And then of course I put on my sunscreen. So that's my very budget-friendly route right now for, we got nails, eyelashes, hair, and skin covered. And if you like this kind of budget-friendly approach, I can do some more of these. There are a couple more products that I'm thinking of right now as I sit here, but those are like the big ones that I've discovered recently. And I'm just loving. I'm so happy that I found these right before we're about to have a child and, you know, come into this world, and we need to be more, you know, mindful of our expenses. So give this video a thumbs up, and please do comment below and subscribe. All right, much love to you all. Bye-bye.